I finally converted some old video of this 1993 Honda Del Sol I bought as a commuter car. After driving it for a short while, it ended up breaking the timing belt. And if you know this car, it has what's called an interference engine, which means when the timing belt breaks, the pistons can hit the valves. So consequently, we had to take the engine all apart. I went ahead and used the opportunity to do basically a full bottom end job on it other than main bearings, and honed the cylinders and redid all new piston rings. We completely ported and milled the head and did a valve job on it. And we put it all back together again, and it ran like an absolute top. We put a cam in it and did a tune and some other stuff. And then we put on some new wheels and tires and a carbon fiber hood and the little factory wing that was offered a couple years of the Del Sol. And it was just a fun car to drive. And I took a bunch of video, but it was in a format that I wasn't compatible with anything. And I finally managed to convert that video, and I'd like to share it with you.